Installing these segments or locking mechanism pieces, there are 3 pieces and they are set so that the flat side is down on the collar. So these will go just like this into here in this orientation with these angled surfaces up, small little shiny part facing up, the big flat part down in the cylinder around the rod in the groove. Liberally apply grease all over locations to protect the seals. We insert the segments using a magnet just to get them in the right position. And we snuggle them up into an area close to the rod. Just like that, flat and against the rod. Okay. Go ahead. We install the insertion sleeve, which is a tapered sleeve. The taper allows the seals to be gently squeezed and go down over the rod and into the groove without damaging or cutting the seals. This can be done without this, but you have to be very careful to make sure the seals do not get cut. We're greasing the inside and outside. Yep. Okay. It's now all the way down, and you can tell that is even with the internal sleeve. Now we install the front head. Make sure everything is greased liberally. And it's tightened in, tail tight.
You want to show me tightening all the way down and hitting with the hammer on the bench too?
You could.
Okay. Because that's just kind of next thing. I tighten this down and then I put a little extra pressure with it.
I'm recording, yep.
Oh, okay. So.
Using a wrench with 2 holes, going into the 2 holes, tighten down. Tight. Really does not require much pressure on that head or the bolts to secure them in place, as the design is much stronger than needed for the actual application. Just run down the bolts. And for in the field purposes, you can just tap these to snug or turn them in by hand.
75 you can usually just do by hand because they're so small.